Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be working with these house paints, bear paints, to this consistency. And in order to get that viscosity, the only thing I added was a few drops of water. And so in this video, I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. See, I made this green with blue and yellow. So I'm just stirring with my little wooden stick and bring it to the consistency I need, which is one of the warm honey. So that one is still a little thick, so I'm gonna add more water. And that's it, guys. Now, since I know you skip the 30 cup color combination, I've already done it. And I am ready to start zigzagging here. I love this technique in the fluid art because it's very versatile. To me, it's very fun to do, to be honest. I really like it. I'm kind of a little obsessed with it. And there it is. Please notice that this time I did not put any background white paint or any paint, and I'm pouring directly into the canvas, because last time I tried to do it and then it was too much paint and I didn't tilt it really well and it cracked up on me. So I decided this time that I was gonna pour directly in the canvas and I just put the white paint around it as needed in order to help the pour move around. So now with the other half, I am going to pour it in the bottom part of my canvas, like so. And see, I'm already liking the design that is doing. It's kind of like a line, kind of like a leaf kind of design. And now I'm going to use the rest of my paint, my white paint, to fill out the spaces around my canvas, all around it. So I didn't want to skip this part because I wanted you guys to see it. And just in case, you know, if it works better for you, if you put the paint first as a background and then do the zigzag pour technique on top of it, I mean, that's great. It's just like I said, I tried it before and it didn't work out well for me, so this is a different way of doing it. I'm applying a little heat now just because of the air bubbles, but remember that it doesn't have any lubricant. So all it was the paint and water, and so I'm not expecting any cells. I would also like to point out, as I'm finishing with my whiting here, that if you can see, the paint is already stretching in the canvas, so the tilting would be almost minimal. So now, as you can see, it's almost to the corners of the canvas, so the tilting will be really easy, and I'm just gonna have to help it out a little bit in here, see, like I'm doing there, to have the paint just go and just keep sliding. So it's really easy, as you can see. And then just make sure that you tilt it enough that when it when it dries, it's not gonna crack on you. You can already see the designs that it's doing here with the green. And later on, I am just going to show you how it dries so you can see how versatile this technique is and why I like it so much. I'm kind of obsessed with it. You can see the white line that I put in the middle, dividing the pores. It has turned into a fine line in there. It almost looks like a poinsettia. And I'm definitely liking what I see here. I'm gonna continue helping the paint in here and tilting and stretching. And I'm gonna show you the dry painting at the end like I always do. And in the meantime, if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, or has inspired you to try out this technique, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for future videos. Now, this is the spray that I use to varnish it. Now that it's all dried, all I did was use a wooden stick to draw the leaves in there. And if I can draw leaves, so can you guys. So don't come and tell me, oh, I don't know how you did it. But look at this. I really like those lines and designs that this technique did. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.